guys, so today is October 16th. I've been really slacking at the basement lately just because I have so many things going on with in school learning and with COVID and my depression, and I've been wanting these shelves for the longest time. I haven't been doing a basement video. That's why I did not post one for September, just because there really wasn't anything that has changed. So we had our garage sale a couple weeks ago. I didn't do as well as I wanted, so we do have a lot of boxes still left and all that jazz. So today I'm gonna probably spend about an hour down here and just put some stuff away. We did go to IKEA yesterday, you guys. I know a lot of you guys follow my vlogs, but we went to IKEA. I've been checking the website like crazy for these shelves that I've been wanting, and they've been sold out. Well, then yesterday morning I checked the website. I didn't even see how much they had in stock. I just saw that they had them in stock and I bought them. I did online order pickup, which means you have to pick them up that day according for what IKEA does, and I'm like, that's totally fine with me. So I asked the husband, can we go down? So we went down to Milwaukee yesterday just for a couple hours. But as we were driving down to the store, I checked the stock and it said they only had 3. When we left the store, they were completely gone. So I'm so excited. I got my shelves. So what's up? You want milk? Have Daddy help you. So we're going to get the shelves put up in a little bit, and I'm going to organize the basement. So I'm going to show you guys how bad it is down here, and then if I remember, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in about an hour. So it's bad. Ben and I just dug out the Halloween costumes just to figure out what the kids are going to wear, so I'll be putting that stuff back. I got to sell some more costumes. These boxes are all completely empty. I wanted to get rid of them during the garage sale, but it just never happened. And then those boxes are, most of them are empty and some have stuff in them, but we're gonna put the boxes underneath the staircase. This stuff's all gonna go away. That stuff's gonna go away. This stuff's gonna go away. So I can start organizing my shelves. My video area, I just been plopping stuff down, so I'm gonna throw some of that stuff away and put stuff away. This stuff just needs to be picked up. So that's what's going on. It is currently 12:33. Let's see what I can get done possibly in an hour. So today is October 25th. We've been kind of working at the basement little bit by little bit. I mean, we did get this spot picked up. We're still getting there, but I think, you know, once this winter happens, it's gonna get there. Now, my goal was to get this whole room cleaned up and my storage room cleaned up, but I'm mostly focused, sorry, somebody's at my door. I'm mostly focused that I want to get this room cleared out. So I'm still getting there, but I mean, I'm just gonna show you kind of what it looks like. We've been playing down here. The kids stuff, I'm still gotta organize and get things ready to go, but I'm pretty excited. I'm getting some stuff done. We'll probably work down here later tonight, but let me just give you guys like a little tour. Sorry, I don't have my selfie stick with me, otherwise it'd be easier. So basically, you know, we kind of cleared this area off. I gotta get rid of this stuff, but the totes, I'm gonna get rid of. A lot of these are my craft stuff that I've been selling, and I just put it there until I get a spot for it. But this thing right here is just a mess. But a lot of these are actually boxes that are for the garage sale that Graham didn't touch, so gonna get rid of those. And then we've been clearing off this spot. I don't know why he started another pile of other things, but we're gonna get rid of this. But otherwise, it's getting there. My craft area is still finding more spots. It just takes a little bit, but I want to give you guys a heads up on that. But we'll probably work down here a little bit tonight. You guys, so it is October 31st. I've been slacking at our basement all month long. I cannot catch a break. But the thing is, I gotta get it in mind that this is our dump area. This is the area that nobody really will see when they walk in my house, but I'm trying to get there. I'm pretty much gonna give up on this series because, yeah, there's just no point of doing these kind of videos, because I did it to motivate me, but maybe I'll, you know, stop for the rest of the year and maybe start doing it next year. I've been trying to get things clean. I did get my shelves, so I did show you guys those, but I'm still trying to organize stuff. I gotta get rid of all this stuff in the totes. I just bought this today. I just bought these today. I gotta get rid of, a lot of these boxes are Goodwill stuff. This is just garbage. Ben just dumped a bunch of toys out looking for something earlier today, and then I've been kind of working on the Halloween stuff, which I gotta put that stuff back because I just filled the bags. But yeah, in the storage room, it's a lost cause. That's all I'm gonna say. So I don't know if I'll do a November video, but I just can't catch a break. I don't have time to do this, plus do all my Etsy stuff. I'm just completely swamped with the kids. I can't get things done. Charlotte only takes a 45-minute nap now, once a day, and Ben, when he goes to school on Thursdays, it's awesome, but I go to Walmart while he's at school, and then by the time I get done with my Walmart video, he's done with school, and then there's Fridays. So it's like literally Fridays are the only days where I get to do something down here, but then Graham goes to work early, so I don't get a break. I do not get a break. So I don't know if this will be my last basement video or not, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that I'm just getting overwhelmed. I thought this would be something that would be easy to do, but COVID happened and couldn't finish it. If I had somebody to watch the kids for several hours away from the house, I would totally do that, but I have nobody to watch the kids. I don't have anybody coming over to help me motivate, just because with everything going on. But I don't know, I'm just sick of it. I'm overwhelmed, but I will see you guys maybe next month, or I'll do a different video for the basement next year. Not sure, but I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.